Hi everyone,
Hello everyone! Welcome back to our channel!
the Kayumangi.
Ayan! So today we're going to do
We're doing another hot food challenge. For those who watched our previous one with the chips, it turned out to be a failure because even though they call them the hottest,
the extreme.
there was no heat
It's not, yeah.
whatsoever. So today we're gonna try some extremely hot volcano noodles.
It
It
says
says that's
crazy
hot.
hot. We have it here. Ta-da!
And
Yeah,
we have some milk for backup.
a glass of milk.
So again, same as the chips, it's either going to go two ways. It's going to be not hot at all, or it's going to be extremely hot. If it's not hot at all, then I suggest anything that says it's hot isn't actually hot.
Yeah, so I watched some videos in YouTube and they said that it's hot. You know, it's the same as the Takis Fuego.
But it wasn't hot.
Yeah.
So
They said it's hot, but it's not.
do you want to show them what you have in case it is actually hot?
Yeah, I showed them the milk.
You showed them the milk? Okay.
Yeah.
So
are you ready?
I'm ready.
So
We have to do it it's not an eating quick challenge or anything. It's just, let's see if it's hot. You don't even have to finish. If it actually is really hot, you don't have to finish it if you can't handle it. But if it's not hot, this will just be my dinner.
But I think you have to, it needs to be who finished first or who can eat it all.
Okay, let's try it. You want to try it?
Okay.
Okay, get your bowl.
Game?
Sure.
First one to finish
Sure.
or who can eat it all?
Can you move over a little that way so that we can...
What?
I'm right-handed, so... No, don't eat yet. Don't eat yet.
Wait, I'm just doing this. Oh my god.
I like how like thick these noodles are. All right.
Cheers. My nose.
It might be hot. You ready? Cheers. No, just go.
Cheers.
3,
Okay, who can
2.
What?
It's not eat. Just eat.
Okay.
Okay. 3, 2, 1,
Go.
and go. It's actually hot. It is very hot. It's hot, isn't it? I'm a redhead. My face will go bright red any second now. Do you know what's surprising? It's very hot. I'm tearing up. You see my eyes tearing up? Oh. What's funny is when something is really hot, generally you can smell it and you can get a sense that, oh, that's hot. This didn't have any smell, so I didn't think it's pretty hot, isn't it? You haven't said anything, so I don't know what you're thinking. You want to tell them what you're thinking?
It's hot. My mouth is on fire.
It's on fire.
And my butt's gonna be on fire. Maybe tomorrow.
I might have to sleep on the couch tonight. I don't want to be in there tonight.
You might have an accident tonight.
Yeah.
Okay, we had to finish it. Who finished it first? We'll get the milk.
It doesn't hit you right away, and then it's just like, bam. I'm actually got a sweat going.
Ugh.
Oh, a chili hit the back of my throat.
My nose. You know, with my nose, right? It's always runny. Now it's starting to
It's hot.
I can feel it.
Feel I'm sweating.
You sure?
You want to show them what it is again? You can't have milk yet. You're not allowed to have anything to drink until you're done.
Whoever finishes first will get the milk.
I'm tearing up.
My nose is dripping.
My tongue's on fire.
Your spit.
Uh-oh. Ah. Ah. My lips are on fire.
My eyes are.
Ah. Are you crying yet?
Yeah. My nose, my eyes, my sweat. Oh my god. My mouth.
Don't cough, it makes it worse.
I don't think I can finish.
You have to finish it.
My nose dripping now. And I'm crying.
I'm getting dizzy.
I can't finish it.
You can't finish it? Can I not finish it?
Yeah, you can. You can stop.
Okay. Have some milk. Everyone can see I'm almost there. I don't want to give up yet. I gotta blow my nose.
Oh my god, my mouth is on fire. The milk helps though.
No, I can't finish. Oh, I'm gonna blow up. Oh, my lips are burning.
I'm sweating.
I'm crying.
I'm sweating. I'm crying.
I'm crying. Ah, it's so hot.
Look at my sweat.
Do you want to take that one to Kitchener? Have my brother try it? Huh? Hmm?
Yeah, maybe. Maybe we can have him try it.
Here, have a sip.
Oh my god.
I have to finish that though. You can't finish it. Okay.
You're gonna finish that?
Mm.
Oh.
Mm.
I still have a lot.
I'm sweating.
Yeah, I know, me too. Like crazy sweat. My eyes, my nose.
Okay, so quickly. Oh, it just keeps getting hotter.
You can put more more milk.
Ah. It's so hot. I gotta go. I need water.
Not the cold one. It will
I need cold.
make it worse. No?
You want cold. It makes it better.
Really?
Yeah.
If it's not, you're gonna be in trouble.
It makes it way better. It calms it down nice. Good, eh?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Oh
And
my
she wanted me to bring warm milk or warm water.
Whew. It is definitely hot.
It is truly evil. Oh, I can't finish.
But
I just want to go like this. Go.
oh my god.
It is extremely hot. It actually takes a few minutes to really heat up. I can't look.
That's crazy hot.
Mm.
Yeah, it says that's crazy hot, and it's true. My nose dripping, my eyes tearing up. I'm sweating. Oh god.
Where's it made? Oh,
I need to blow my nose.
I've never experienced anything like that in my life before. Oh my gosh. You are crazy if anyone can finish this by themselves. I got about 3/4 of the way. Bring another bottle of water, please. I can't even finish a sentence now. I can only talk for about... My mouth is on fire.
Oh my god.
I feel bad for the washing later on.
It's very, very.
Mm.
Show them yours. This is mine. I didn't even.
And I almost finished. I literally have like 2 bites left. But it is excruciatingly hot. Oh my gosh.
Like, I feel like I'm gonna throw up if I have one more bite.
I got dizzy. So, alright.
Mm.
You'll notice, start talking, and about 5 words in, the heat comes back and it's hard to...
Mm-hmm. Oh, made in Korea.
Made in Korea. That's hot. So, I...
So what? It's coming back, eh? After you drink.
Oh.
When you drink.
No, it's when you talk.
Yeah.
It's when you talk.
When you drink, it gets less hot, and then after, when you talk.
So we challenge anyone.
I'm challenging Leselan again.
I don't know if they can get this exact one.
I think they have it. The volcano. Yeah.
But we challenge anyone to this.
I'm challenging Leselan Manzano.
I need more water.
And the Team Norway friends. Yeah.
Who else?
That's it.
Okay. How hot was that?
Very, very hot.
My lips are on fire.
Yeah. You had to kiss me, I think. My lip is cold.
Wow.
Oh yeah. Takes away the
I need to blow my nose.
oh my god. If you wanna try it, try it. But it's really hot.
Post the videos and share it with you so that we can see. All
If
right.
you can finish one bowl of it.
So just once again, just to sum it up, this is extremely hot and you are formally challenging
Leselan Manzano and my Team Norway friends.
my team weight. What?
My Team Norway friends.
Team Norway.
If you can find this one. Yeah. Team Norway friends. And Leselan Manzano.
Oh,
I'm burping.
it is.
Did you hear me burp?
I heard you burp. It's so hot. I gotta keep drinking water. And please stay tuned for more content. As we do have more videos coming as soon as this one finishes editing them.
I have lots of videos,
Yeah.
but I haven't edited.
So
And don't forget to follow our
Facebook
page, The Kayumanggi.
of the same name. Right? So
The
thank
Kayumanggi, the
you everyone. I'm sorry, I gotta cut this up short. I'm dying over here. It is so hot.
No, my sweat is drying up.
So thank you everyone for watching. I hope you enjoyed this and we'll see you next time.
Bye.
Bye.